Hi guys, this is San Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be back with a different kind of video. This is another update to my craft room organization. Now, what you're looking at right now is the Michaels washi tape holder, and it comes with these 3 divider pockets. I was so inspired by Tony, who's Craft Purge, here on YouTube and Instagram, and she had bought the acrylic containers from Michaels, and they're the larger 12 by 12. I did end up buying one, but I haven't filled it yet. I'm still not yet committed to what I want to put in there, but I also had this washi tape organizer that I had bought a while back, and I finally had like a eureka moment on what could fit in here, and I can't wait to show you what I did with it. So I originally had all of my charms in this Craftmates container, and it was a great storage system. And they come in like these containers here. They all lock. They work fine. But I wanted something that I can go to and look and put all my pretties in. And, you know, charms are like the jam. So I went and I kind of looked around and said, what can I fit in here? And this is originally I thought, oh, maybe I could just put the dividers in there, but they don't close well. They don't fit well. And then I went and thought I'd try this pill organizer from the Dollar Tree, and I have to tell you, they fit like a glove. So you can actually stack 2 in there at a time and they fit perfectly. Look how beautiful that looks. So this is 2 stacked up on top of each other, and I can see it from the side and I could see it from the top, and I just need to go buy more containers. So I'm loving and obsessing, and those little ones are some AliExpress containers. I just didn't want to take them out, so I left them in the little cubes, and I'm just gonna keep them in there. I just need to go and swap out my other containers with this one, and basically all that I did was peel it out of the packaging, and then I took acetone, and this comes right off. And that was an idea that I got from Tony, and I can't wait to show you the finished product. Hi you guys, so as you can see, I am finished with my beautiful charm organizer, and I am obsessed. I still have 2 empty drawers here, and I need to go buy 4 more of those pill organizers, but I really fit a ton in here, and I'm contemplating putting all of my seasonal charms as well, because I think that there's enough room in here. And I've even pulled out some of my like extra doodads that I even made charms from, but I am obsessed with the storage. I did stack each row with 2 of these pill organizers, and I have room to grow, which is amazing. And I'm obsessed, you guys. It just fits a ton, and you could see it from the side. There's 2 rows, right? So in each drawer, I have 6 containers, and I think this is such a space saver, and I'm able to see everything and without it being open. And I am accident prone, so I cannot leave things like this out. I'll likely spill it. So I love this system. I hope you found inspiration. I'll leave a link to the Michaels washi tape organizer down below if you're interested. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.